Hey you guys, I am gassed. I am so, like, the last 3 days I have done more applique shirts in a 3-day period than I have ever done. And I'm spent. I mean, look at me. My hair is a mess. My makeup's just everywhere. I'm a mess. I think I even have my dinner on my shirt. I don't know, you guys, but I want to show you what I did. And this was such a fun project, although I will never procrastinate like I did. I'm embarrassed about how much I procrastinated with this because I literally had so much time to complete this, but ended up doing it all in 3 days. So, wow. So what I did in my group is I offered a holiday 4-shirt series. And what I did differently this year as opposed to years past is I said I will mail them all to you October 1st. I really said September 15th, but then I extended it to October 1st after the fact because I was so behind. Well, what is it today? October 4th. Anyway, they're in the mail now, or they will be today because I finally completed them. So I'm a little bit behind, but I did let everybody know. I just kind of let time get away from me like normal. But so what it was is an option for them to pick one fall shirt or Halloween shirt, one Thanksgiving shirt, one Christmas shirt, and one New Year's shirt. And I gave them options. So, you know, I sent them like 30, well, not 30. Well, actually this Christmas set had 30 different options they could choose from. New Year's, I don't have a lot. I haven't really done many in the past. So I gave them 12 options to choose from. Halloween, I think I chose 30. So 30 different options. And I sent this to each individual that was interested in doing the holiday grouping. And then I sent even more Thanksgiving, only because Thanksgiving also had some football versus Thanksgiving type things. So anyway, they could pick 4 shirts. Now some people were like, yeah, I don't really want a New Year's shirt because could I do a fall one and a Halloween one? Sure, okay. But the goal was for me to have them done so, you know, a month before Christmas, I'm not still trying to do applique shirts for this. So I'm excited that it is October 4th and I've already completed for my group our Halloween shirts, our Thanksgiving shirts, Christmas shirts, and New Year's shirts. So that's exciting. Now, of course, I know I'll get individual shirt orders for each one of those holidays as time progresses, but the majority of the folks in my group have already got theirs done. Now, again, this was stressful because I waited to the last minute to try to get these out, but in the end, they turned out amazing. So I'm going to show them all to you. Like, right? I want to show them to you. So what I did as the orders came in, you know, I made spreadsheets for each holiday where I knew what size shirt to order, what color, because of course I let them pick colors. And then as I do them, I just highlight them and move on to the next one. Again, I'm spent. It's time for a margarita. But I'm going to show you the Cuteness Overload that, you know, I was able to create. What's great is every single one of these shirts I took a picture of. Great product photography with them. I made sure I did it on the backdrop. I made sure I did, you know, a couple different angles of them. And I'm going to ask in a note that I send with the package that any shirt that they wear, if they, you know, could send pictures to me showcasing their kids, that I could give them 10% off in my shop. So I'll be able to use those for product photos as well. So that's pretty cool. So now I have new listings that I'm going to have to, you know, probably take a whole day or half a day to put up on Etsy of some Thanksgiving shirts, some Christmas shirts, some New Year's shirts. So I'm super excited about that because, again, it's October 1st. So I feel like I'm well ahead of the game as far as putting some of these new products and listings on my sites. So let me show you what some of these ended up. So each person will have 4. So I'll showcase you. They're already in the little bags because they're ready to go out. But so this was just like a fall option. And then this was their, this person's, Luke's, cute little Thanksgiving. And I love this sweet one they chose for Christmas. It's little boy angels. And then this one is a new design for me and I really liked it. It's just simple, but Happy New Year. And it's got his name on the bottom, Luke. So that was a good one. Now here's someone that really went with color options. So I like that too. There's just the cute little Alphalicious pumpkin truck, but they chose yellow. Different, isn't it? And then for their Thanksgiving, that's another Alphalicious design there, the little scribble turkey. They put it on a burgundy shirt. I know a lot of people don't like white shirts for their kids. I thought this was sweet. They picked a Nativity Scene. I think that's from Alphalicious too. everything. This is from Threader Tales. I'm not saying that right, but how sweet is that for New Year's? With a little crown and he's blowing the little thing. So that's sweet. So that was a cute foursome. Here's another person that chose colors. I love that little pumpkin gingham. There's that same scribble. Oh, this is a sibling because it's the same. And then they chose the cross with the lights, which I love. And then this is a new design as well. Little Miss New Year's, and it's got her name on the bottom. So that's a fun little set. So yeah, that's a sibling because that's why there's matched. Oh, I love this. This turned out so cute. I never would have thought to put it on purple, but purple and Halloween are so cute. So there's Halloween Spider. And this was a new design. It actually took a while to stitch this one out because of that intricate little flower and leaves, but it's really cute for fall. And then I always love this, the little Santa, and it looks really good on black. And this was a new one for me too. Just Happy New Year, Audrey. I love using some of the glitter vinyl on that. Thought that was super cute. So again, I love the color choices. This is one of my favorites for Halloween. Look at that. I love it. You guys, I don't know where all these designs are from. Oh, this one's a new one that they selected, so I purchased this one, so that's new. I love it. It's a little hand turkey. And I did a bunch of these, and they take forever. But it's cute, little Santa. And then here's the boy version of the Threader Tales design for New Year's. So I love that. So let me show you that's the girl New Year's and then the boy New Year's. Aren't those so cute? Love it. What else do we have? Oh, this one always takes a while to make too. Of course, I point that out because it took me so long to do all these, but that one's super sweet for Halloween. And then this little turkey. I like that. Can you see it? Is it too glowy? And here they got that same Santa. And this was new, but I don't really like it. I just don't think it's stitched out like I like. But I mean, it's cute. I keep wanting to say Halloween, but for New Year's. I always love this one too. The vintage truck for fall. Can you see that? Is it too shiny? I love that. And then this is a football family. They chose that instead of Thanksgiving, and they wanted their slogan, "We Are." And then the cute little turkey. That turkey was one of the very first appliques that I ever did, and it's from Pick and Stitch, which is no longer a business anymore. And then cute little gingerbread man. All right, what else do we got? Y'all, like I said, I did all of these in the past 36 hours. This was cute, and to put it on orange is so cute. Those pumpkins, sibling of the We Are family. There's that same turkey, but a girl version with colors. And then Mrs. Gingerbread. Cuteness. Here's their younger sibling. Cute. I love that. There's more We Are. And then another gingerbread. I gotta figure out. I'm missing one shirt of hers. Oh, I know. I purchased the wrong color shirt when I went back to make it. Here's that silly spider again, and it's just done on a white shirt. And I love this little turkey. Or no, it's not a turkey. Indian. Well, it's a turkey Indian. And then this is cute. A little snow globe. I normally do this on darker colors. They wanted on white, so I did the globe in like a gray fabric. And this is cute. This is Alphalicious, but New Year's 2022. They wanted this one to have kind of pastel colors, and then the sibling had I did it in more primary colors. So super cute. But let's see. He has the pilgrim to the Indian, right? And then there's that Santa truck again. So let me show you those two next to each other. They're a cute little set. Aren't those cute? So, you know, we've got the girl Indian and the boy pilgrim. I think that's just sweet. Super sweet. Put it back in the right pile. All right, we've got two more piles, and I think that will be it. There's that cute little pumpkin again. It's just the scalloped. And I love this little, just fun little cat. That's a cute turkey. If I did it again, I probably wouldn't put such of a dark head on it, but, and I added that bow. Let me show you what I did, and I'll kind of explain how it, and then those, I just love the whimsical look of the colors when it's not necessarily red and green, right? Anyway, it didn't have a bow on it, but I had another design that used that bow, and so I was able to take that bow and add it to this little turkey just to make it look more girly. Let's see, and then the very last one, there's that cute little spider truck, and this was really cute. I love that new turkey, and I always love the Appalicious rear end truck with the different designs on it. And then there is that same New Year's puppy that's just so sweet. So you guys, all of these I did in the past 36 hours, and I'm getting ready to put them all in their mailers and just take a sigh of relief, because like I said, this was self-induced procrastination. It was awful, but I got it done. I had the support from my family to just power through. So it's good. It's good to be busy, but when I procrastinate like this, it's hard and it's frustrating, all in the same. So anywho, I just wanted to show you all that because I wanted to have proof. I wanted you guys to see what I've been doing. When I originally was doing this, I was like, you know what? I'm going to make a video of all the Christmas shirts and a video of all the Thanksgiving shirts, a video of all the New Year shirts. But you guys, I waited the last second. That I literally, from the time I woke up yesterday until I think 1:30 a.m. last night, worked, and then I did all day today as well. The goal was to be putting them in the mailbox by 5 or getting them to the post office, but I missed that deadline by about an hour. So they're going out in the morning. I'm getting ready to print the labels now so I can just be like, whew. But anyway, so doing fun little sales like that where people really, at least in my group, they get excited about being like ahead of the game. You know, so these families right here, I mean, Luke already has his Christmas shirt, you know, a cute Christmas shirt. Luke already has his New Year's shirt, or he will in a day or so. So, you know, for that mom that wants to plan ahead and be prepared and, you know, kind of in these unprecedented times, it's nice to feel like you've got control over something. So the fact that she's already got 4 shirts for the upcoming season is pretty cool. And that was a huge sell to the folks in my group. So anywho, I hope you guys are stitching something fun. And I'm going to go print out these labels. I'm getting ready to revamp my entire room so that I can make a better space for, you know, doing some videos and teaching some new things. And I'm super excited. Yeah, I'm excited. I was getting ready to give away a few things, but little secrets of things to come. But I'll just let you wait. Hang tight. Happy stitching, guys. Talk to y'all soon.